Ashlyn, what'd you say?
I've always wanted these my whole life. Hey, I have a really soft bed in here. Hey, Josie, look, we get to share this.
And then this opens up now.
Wow! Our own Barbie thing. Emma has one of these. Awesome, and we have a seat.
For you too.
See?
Where's your other ones?
Oh!
What did you get for Christmas?
I'll go get the plants. Huh? Let's go get them.
Tommy, what is that? It's a giant castle. It's bigger than almost Heber. And what the girls get? It's bigger than you. Whoa! What'd you get, Josie?
Put in the toilet right here. No.